Hello and welcome to Anatomy with Dr. P. In today's lesson, we're going to be learning about the folds of the peritoneum. Recall from lecture that the word peritoneum describes a double-layered membrane that covers the organs inside of our abdomen and pelvis. The first fold of the peritoneum we're going to be discussing can be seen on this model. This is showing you the greater omentum. The word omentum means covering. So the greater omentum is the large covering. It attaches to our transverse colon and then hangs down like a fatty apron in front of our small intestine. Now, it's only shown on half of this model, but in actuality, it should be going all the way across. The greater omentum stores fat and is also involved in a lot of immune system functions. So you might sometimes hear it referred to as the policeman of the abdomen. The next fold, we need to grab a separate model. So let's grab our lymphatic model. And when we do that, if we look down in the intestines, here I can see my small intestines pulled out to the side, and I notice these sheets of connective tissues that are running out and anchoring that small intestine to the posterior body wall. This structure is called a mesentery. So this is also considered to be a fold of the peritoneum. The mesenteries help anchor our small intestines to the posterior body wall, and they essentially serve as a passageway for blood vessels, lymphatics, and nerves to come from our posterior body wall out to the small intestine. To see the last fold of peritoneum, we need to grab a different model. So let's take a look at this model here. So we can see our small intestines here. Here's our transverse colon. To see the last fold of our peritoneum, we're going to take the small intestines and pull them out and away from the large intestines. And now we can see this big fold of peritoneum that's attached essentially to my large intestine. This fold of peritoneum is called the mesocolon. Mesocolon essentially means mesentery of the colon, and it does the same job as the mesentery. The mesentery holds our small intestines to the posterior body wall. The mesocolon anchors the large intestines to the posterior body wall. And as you can see, it serves as a passageway for both blood vessels, lymphatics, and nerves to reach from the posterior body wall out to the organs.